Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Aura frame is not booting up and the screen stays blank or never fully loads, it can feel frustrating, especially when you are expecting your photos to appear like normal. Sometimes the frame powers on but stays stuck during startup, while other times nothing seems to happen after plugging it in. A situation like this can happen because of power interruptions, connection problems, temporary software delays, or setup issues that are easy to overlook. Before thinking your frame has completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many startup problems can improve after a quick refresh. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix an Aura frame not booting up. Try these. Step 1. Check the power cable connected to the Aura frame and make sure it fits securely. Step 2. Look for any screen activity on the Aura frame after reconnecting power for a fresh startup attempt. Step 3. Remove power from the Aura frame briefly before plugging it back in again. Step 4. Confirm the Aura frame has access to a stable Wi Fi connection if startup seems delayed. Step 5. Open the app connected to the Aura frame and check whether the frame still appears online. Step 6. Watch the Aura frame for a few moments and confirm photos begin loading normally again.